Already we have seen capitalist economy. What does mean by capitalist economy? We all know, no? Capitalist economy is also known as capitalism. Father of capitalism, Adam Smith. Policy followed under capitalism, laissez-faire. Main important aim of capitalist economy is profit motive. And here private persons, their role is always dominant. That capitalist economy features we are going to see in detail. This question carry part C and this question carry 5 marks. Clear? Features of capitalist economy. Private ownership of property and law of inheritance, freedom of choice and enterprise, profit motive, free competition, price mechanism, role of government, inequalities of income. Private ownership of property and law of inheritance. Private ownership, here in this, private role is always more and their role is always dominant. What is the term law of inheritance? Here the business or the property, it can be transferred. Law of inheritance means what? Business or the property can be transferred from grandfather to father and from father to son. Likewise it is going on. Freedom of choice and enterprise. Here each and every, under the capitalist economy, each and every individual business person, they have the choice to carry out their own business. There will be less government intervention, no government intervention. Laissez-faire policy followed. Clear? Profit motive. Here private role is more important. So each and every activities are undertaken for profit motive. Main aim of every producer, PR means producer, is to earn, pi means what? Is to earn maximum profit. Free competition. Free competition in both product and factor market. Product means each and every goods and services considered as product, you all know. What is the term 4 factors of production? Yes, 4 factors of production are land. 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital and organization. What are the 4 factors reward? For land, rent, labor, wages, capital, interest, yes, organization, profit. These are the 4 factors of production. You all know very well. We already come across in your 11th standard itself. These are the 4 factor reward. 4 factors of production. What are the things? Land, labor, capital, organization. For land we are giving rent, labor, wages, capital, interest, organization, profit. This is a 4 factor reward. Price mechanism. Automatic adjustment between price and supply. And usually we come across, what is the thing? There is, while come across the demand, there is always an inverse or indirect relationship between price and quantity, demanded. If the price is high, demand is less. If the price less, demand will increase. Usually the price of vegetables go high, what your it will shoot up means what your mother she will do? She will purchase only 2 kgs or 3 kgs. For example, a kilo of onion cost of ₹100 example. Then we can buy 1 kg or half kg. Suppose the same price of onion come down from 100 to 20 or 50 or 30. Your mother she will bought how much? 2 to 3 kgs. Clear? Role of government. Limited government role in defense, health, education, etc. Inequalities of income. Inequalities of income is increase here in case of capitalist economy because rich people become more and more rich and poor become more and more poor because the producer who is having huge amount of finance, they can enlarge their business. So here what will happen? In a capitalist economy, the rich people become more and more rich and the poor become more and more poor. Last but not the least, what are the